My name is Yesenia. I am 50 years old. I have two kids. I have two sons, a 14-year-old and an 11-year-old, and I am a coordinator at a school. The reason why I joined the coaching program is because I knew that the lifestyle that I was leading at that moment wasn't sustainable. I couldn't get out of bed. I couldn't go upstairs. I had high blood pressure. I was pre-diabetic, and I was just uncomfortable. And I didn't think that my kids deserved that type of mom where I couldn't do things with them. Before joining, I think I was nervous that I wasn't going to be able to lose the weight, because the most I had ever lost in any type of program when I tried to lose was 25 pounds. And so I was hesitant because what I wanted to lose was 50 pounds, and I've been able to lose the 50 pounds, but I just didn't think that was possible for me. I think working with Eva has been one of the best decisions that I've ever made. She is very knowledgeable, and I can ask her anything, and she supports me. She believes in me. It's something that I cherish because she's an incredibly supportive coach. Definitely one of the things I didn't expect were photo shoots. That was something that was surprising, and actually I completely love and enjoy doing. And so that, to me, that's the best part actually of the program. There's many changes. I think the first one and most important one is my health. So I don't have high blood pressure anymore. I'm not pre-diabetic. I'm actually within normal range BMI now, which was not the case before. But also, I think it's my confidence in myself, my ability to put myself out there with people, and also to show my sons that taking care of yourself is very important. And that's something that they see and they want to do themselves. My oldest son ran a marathon in March, the LA Marathon, and my youngest son is asking me when he can join the gym. So I love that. So I definitely think having a coach is very important, but also making sure that you're coachable. Because I think some people resist, and if you're open to someone sharing their knowledge with you and you're open to following and trusting, then I would say this is for you. But I think definitely trust is very important, and I think being able to follow through and keep the promises to yourself that you make for yourself. When I started the coaching, I weighed 187.6. And so currently I weigh 136.4. I feel so much better. I can go upstairs. I love my workouts. I love going to the gym. I love lifting weights, and it's just been completely life-changing for me.